Hey there, just wanted to walk you through a small video on how to further optimize and tweak your image once it's generated with Betterpic. So what you're going to do is pick any picture that you like. I like this one a lot because this is the one also I'm using on my LinkedIn right now. So I'm going to further use that one. And what you do is you click on the BP AI edit. And what it's going to do is going to show you the image that you're editing right there. And you're going to have all these different options. So I'm going to just move myself right there. And one of the most used ones is the clothing outfits. For example, if you want to change your clothing, this one is really, formal. I want to go a little bit more casual, so I'm going to go casual. And, I'm wearing black, so I'm going to go for black. And that's the only thing you have to kind of do is select between all of these styles and then choose the color that you want to generate in, and you will see a small preview of what is happening here. You can go all the way to doctor style, you can go all the way to formal style, and once that is done, you generate photos here, and you'll see here this is going to cost you around 10 credits. I currently have around 1,000 credits. If you don't have enough credits, you can just click here and you can purchase extra where needed, basically. So I have 10 credits here. This is going to take around 4 minutes to generate. So I'm going to click on that. And now the generation has started. So what you'll see at the top of the images, you're going to see all the way up here that they are going to start generating. So this is the AI clothing. This is the date that when you ask them. And so what I'm going to do already is I'm going to show you some examples that I really liked. As you can see, I've done a lot of things going on here. So here, for example, are a few of these images. So this is the casual style. I asked for brown in this sense, and now I kind of have the exact same face and texture, but now I just have them in different clothing. Now this one made me a little bit too muscular, so I'm not going to use that one. That would be cool. But for example, this one and this ones are the ones that are generated. That I was like, okay, this is more casual. I can use that for my WhatsApp, for example. So that is how to use the AI Studio. We have a lot of different ones. Maybe if you're watching this video, we've added a lot of things already, but this is on a general use, how to use the AI Studio. And we have separate videos on how to use each one individually. Otherwise, feel free to reach out. And if you have any questions, just use a little chat here and we're going to come back to you within 24 hours.